That was salt. Salt. 1 teaspoon salt. That's a lot of salt. 1 teaspoon.
Dinty more stew! We pretty much followed their ingredients. Beef broth, cooked beef, that's why I did those little bits of cooked beef, because I was hoping they'd break apart. Caramel coloring in the form of Kitchen Bouquet. Could be thicker. It could be thicker. That's not too bad. I haven't even tried this, so I should have tasted it before I added all the salt. Teaspoon of salt, here we go. Oh, wow, it's really good. Holy moly. Take another spoon of that. This has a very good flavor. Oh, we gotta try a piece of beef. Let's see if it's tender. Oh, I'd say that's tender. It just broke apart. Oh, hot. Mmm. That's tender enough for me. We might have overcooked the potatoes. I don't know. Let's try. Let's try a potato. It's hot. Oh. Potatoes are a little soft. I think the carrots are nice, though. Carrots are perfect. It just breaks apart. I've never put corn flour in stew before. You check out the 2024 ingredient list. They've got soy textured protein, which is sad. Oh, nice and tender, yeah. When I make stew, I put large chunks of celery, large carrots, large potatoes. This is delicious. It's got very nice flavor. That's hot. Oh yeah. I like this thickness. You know, it's not too thick, it's not too thin. This would go very nice over rice or noodles. Thanks for joining me this Monday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Oh.